Hi everyone, welcome back from a long weekend. This is Try3 Science, week number 4. So week 4 wraps up energy transformations. So to finalize this, we will be doing a stations lab. So this week we'll be using Edpuzzle as usual. We'll use a Google form for a stations lab, and you're also going to be using your creativity for a week-long project. So I'm going to give you the week-long project assignment tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, and then you'll have until the following Wednesday to finish that up. So see if there's kind of a little clue in your stations lab today as to what that week-long project is going to be. I'm hoping to make this video short because we're going to do the stations lab the same way that we did during week 2 of our trimester. So let's take a look at our assignment. First of all, week 4 reminders. I want you to continue watching the video for each assignment. Use the features in Edpuzzle to your advantage. You can always go back and rewatch a specific section if you're not sure of the question that's being asked, and make sure that you're using all the pause features and really using those questions that are embedded to make sure that you're understanding the important points of the video. So you guys have been doing a really good job at that, so I want you to continue using that Edpuzzle and all the features that are there. Join me in office hours to get help with your assignments. I'm there. I'm happy to help. I'm sitting in front of my laptop waiting for you to come and see me for 4 hours a day. So I would be happy to see you guys just to chat. Let me know how things are going, and if you need any help with any of your assignments, come and see me. Again, if you'd like to do pre-honors work to prepare yourself for honors next year, it is not too late to join the Science Pre-Honors Google Classroom. I mailed it to you last week, and this week pre-honors will meet on Wednesday at 3 o'clock for a live class. So check your Google Classroom for that link. So our assignment, my mistake, it should be Tuesday. Sorry, the 3-day weekend has me thrown off. So this is your assignment for Tuesday, May 26th. Your objectives: to identify energy transformations. We're going to see lots of examples of them, and you should be able to identify the transformations. And we're going to look specifically at a hydropower dam and how those work and how the energy transforms in a system like that. So you are now watching the Edpuzzle video. You're answering the questions. Remember that you have to watch this full video and answer the questions to get full credit for the station labs. And we're going to do energy transformation stations lab today and tomorrow. So you're going to open the Google form, which I'll show you in a minute. Follow the directions for each station the same way that you did during week 2. For Tuesday, we're going to divide this in half for you. For Tuesday, I expect you to do watch it, research it, and explore it. And then for Wednesday, you'll finish up with read it, illustrate it, assess it, and organize it. Of course, if you would like to do all these at one time, they're there and you have that option. Let's go back so that we can look at the Google form quickly. I'm just going to run through it real quick. And then if you guys have any questions, make sure you pop into my office hours today. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, here is your energy transformations stations lab activity. So everything you need to do, it used to look like this in the classroom when we were doing this live, but now everything you need has been converted into this Google form. So please make sure you have your email address, your first and last name. Make sure you have the correct class period. Please look at the top banner of your Google Classroom. It'll tell you you're either period C, F, H, or I. People are still getting this wrong. So, there's always a chance that you may not get credit if you're not indicating the correct class period. So, same directions as before. You do not have to complete this whole thing at one time. So as long as you are hitting the submit button when you're ready to leave the form, let's say you've only done 1 or 2 stations, if you hit the submit button, it will save your work. Then you use the same link to come back. It'll say that you've already responded, but it'll allow you to edit this submission. So you want to click on those blue words right there, and it'll open your form back up, and you can continue where you left off. Then when you're all finished with it, you want to hit submit for one final time. So, the watch it station Here is the video. Click on this. I think you guys are really going to like this. This is the hint as to your week-long project. So enjoy this video. It's really one of the coolest things we get to watch this year. So I think you guys will like it. And then there are 2 questions about what you've seen in the video. The research it section. This should look very familiar to you. So it's just a quick little video of 2 of the simulations we ran last week and a couple questions that you'll answer right there. The Explore It station has a little bit of information and has you really thinking about energy systems and some transformations that are happening. The Read It station, here is the page that you'll read about energy transformations and hydropower dams. Okay, so you'll read that. And then here are the questions for Read It. The Illustrated, I'm asking you to either take a picture or find a picture online and upload it here, and the specifics are here. You want something that demonstrates at least 3 different forms of energy and has at least 2 energy transformations. So that's more than just, say, a curling iron when it goes from electrical to thermal. You need an additional transformation. So this might take a little bit of thought. So if you don't have something that you can take a picture of around your house, you can always search on the internet. But I want you to upload a picture here, and then I want you to describe those forms and transformations here. Assess it. This is kind of, you know, like the wrap-up quiz that we take when we're doing these. I usually tell you to save the Assess It stations for last because it's kind of like the test. So there are 4 Assess It questions. And then the final station is Organize It. So you'll look at each one of these items: an electric lamp, a hairdryer, a television, a battery-powered flashlight, a ceiling fan, or gas-powered generator, and you will say which one of these is the correct energy transformation. So there's just one answer in each of these rows, and each of these will be used only one time. Okay, so then there are some important reminders here again, and you want to make sure that you click this Submit button every time you are finished working. All right, so let's go back and finish up. Oh, wrong one. That's what I want. Okay. So our daily reminders are the same. Watch your Edpuzzle for your assignment. Get started. Make sure you click the Submit button, and assignments are due by midnight. And hey, I hope you guys had a great long weekend. I got some sun this weekend. It was nice to be outside in the nice weather. And just think about it. We only have 6 weeks left. So if this were our typical trimester, we'd be over halfway through. So 6 weeks till your summer break. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.